Alright, hello guys. So this is the final step of my preparation, my pond for the winter, is to bring up my air stone and to keep it like about 2 feet below the water surface, and installing my deicer. So first I'm gonna bring up my air stone and to clean it. Alright, let's turn it out first. Alright. So I'm using this hook. Try to pull it up. Let's see. Can see it. Yeah. Right. Right there. Look at that. Quite dirty that. So I'm going to disconnect the hose and give it a rinse. Then we'll go from there. Alright. Alright, so I got my air stone clean. Now I made this stand. I got a folding table, so I took the top off. I used the stand, and with this screen here for as a temporary stand to raise up the air stone from the bottom of the pond. So I'm gonna tie wrap it in here, and I also have this Aquascape 300 watt pond deicer that I used for the last 2 years for my pond every winter. So I'm gonna set it, ideally I'll try to get this, set it on top of the aerator bubbler like this in the winter time, so this deicer create a hole in the ice, and the bubbler gonna release the gas through that hole. So I'll set out the camera. I'm gonna tie this one up and get ready to set down to the pond. Alright, let's just keep this one loose so I can pull this cable to adjust it. Depends on the level of water when it goes down there. So let's bring it to the pond. So I got this to use it to lower down to the water with my hook. I go there. Now I need to connect the air hose. This air hose, yeah. Hook up this air hose. Okay, I got the air hose connected. And it's ready to put it down back into the pond. Heavy. Good for now. No, there's somewhere. Okay, like that. Now I need to bring my de-icer up. Yeah, so I can adjust this by pulling it or let go of it. But it's gonna stay on top of that air stone. And I'll bring the stand to the left of it. Right there. Alright, so the de-icer just gonna be somewhat on top of this air stone. Not quite directly on top, but yeah, somewhere like that. Then I'm gonna run my cable into my shed. Along here and fit it through inside this. So this de-icer will automatically shut off at 27 degrees Celsius or something like that. But I have this thermo switch, so I'm going to connect it to this one. See, on at 2 degrees, off at 7 degrees. So it's automatically turn on, turn off as this temperature range, and it is ideal for de-icer, tank de-icer, heat tape, but so I'm using for de-icer. Alright, so I won't connect it to the power right now, but when the weather changes, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll just turn on the air stone to show you. Alright, so that's my air stone. That's my bubbler for the winter with the de-icer. So that's it. I'm set for the winter. This is the final step of winterization. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.